Hello, hello, Shay here. We have a very special, I think I say that every Monday, but a very, very special Munimade Monday for you today. I am riding high on a live stream that I had on my channel on Wednesday. What's today? Today is Friday, so just a couple of days ago, we got to meet the one, the only Kat Fedora. I had Kat on my live. I had M from Munimade and Jade from Jaded Gem Shop. Both of those shops, both of those diamond painting companies do sell Kat's licensed artwork in diamond painting form. So yes, so M thought it would be really cool if we did this one for this Munimade Monday, because it is a Kat. She did do, on that live stream, she did do a little sneaky peeky of it. And so she did show it off. So a lot of you already know this is coming. So yes. So again, my name is Shay. Let me introduce myself. Em and I partner together to make these videos for her channel. And then in turn, I get to see these beautiful paintings and meet these artists and do all the fun things. But if you want to come check me out over on my channel, it'll be linked down below. I would love to have you. So, all right, let's get into this painting. This is a painting that was very, very requested. So Munimade had it made. It is called Imagine Unicorns. Here's the original artwork. Let me bring it up close to you. And of course you can see it's by Kat Fedora. Look at this beautiful painting. You've got of course the unicorn here. I love the little heart. You've got the cat snuggled up right against the unicorn. You've got a woman reading a book. She's got her tea or her coffee. And you can see the little houses in the background through the windows, the vines. It's beautiful. Love Kat's artwork. I am hosting an event this month for Kat, so if you have a painting, you want to join us, you'll get all that information over on my channel. So yes, this painting is so beautiful. It is square diamonds, okay? So for all you square lovers out there, it is a square, which gives you a little bit more detail than a round. The size is a 61 by 60 in centimeters. I'm just kind of moving it up and down for y'all so you can see it. This painting I'm actually not keeping. I'm going to be giving it to Kat. Kat has never diamond painted before, so I thought it'd be really cool to give her one of her pieces of artwork because I have others of hers. And yeah, so after I do this video, I'm going to be shipping this to her. So I hope she works on it, and that'd be really cool to see her, actually, and hear from her about working on a diamond painting. So, all right, the colors in this one. Let me refer to our sticker sheet. This entire thing is a sticker. And it's got all your information right here. Like I said, you can put your start date, your end date. I cut this right here and I put this in my logbook. And you can put when you started it, when you completed it. It's got the size, the square, the diamond count, the size, and then of course the SKU number if you store things separate. It does have 80 colors. So these are great. These are labels and they are individually cut, and you just peel them and put them on your storage containers if you want to move your diamonds over to containers. Now, the highlighted ones right here are these special drills. There are 10 special drills that come with this painting. Let's see, ND signifies shimmer. So it's like a lighter dusting on those drills. So we have, let's see, 7 of those. And then the ABs are a little bit of a heavier coating. There's 3 of those. That's Aurora Borealis drills. And then of course she does give you some extra labels if you need those. I do like how these labels are cut independently. Like you've got just the symbol right here. If you don't want, the DMC number or this, you don't want the number count. So I like that M does that. So this thing's really great. Also, you guys know I love the handy dandy tags. It's got this little elastic band on here. These tags, it's a really heavy cardstock. You can use these for several different reasons. You can actually, or purposes, you can keep your diamond painting rolled up and just put this around it so you'll know what painting it is. You can write some information on the back. You can actually store it in your pack of drills if you store these separate than this. Lots of fun ways to use this tag. So you can hang it also off of the art tube, which I'll show you at the end if you want to add that to your cart. So yeah, love the tags. And again, it's got the original artwork on there. Oh, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right, so speaking of the 80 colors, this is your color palette. Now I did pull out the 10 special drills. They're right here. But this is all the other colors. Look at the rainbow of colors. And of course I see a lot of the black because Kat does like to do a lot of the outlining in black, which I love that. So yes, now these bags are individually bagged and in order. So if you want, you can actually work straight out of the baggies. You don't really even need to move them over to storage containers. You can just start diamond painting. Also, your SKU number is right here. So you've got this and you'll know it goes to this one because the SKU number is on everything, okay? And here's our special drills. I'm gonna show you guys where those go. Let's just take a quick little tour of the canvas. I love all the ivy and all the vines. I love the style of windows that she has here. She has like a little candle. It looks like a candle. It's like a little gas, like a little lantern right here. You've got the books. You've got some flowers. The kitty, of course, more books. It's just beautiful. And of course, you've got the legend, all 80 colors listed right here on the bottom left. And then there's a thumbnail with another legend on the top right, depending on where you're at in the diamond painting and what you need to refer to. We do have another thumbnail down here. It's got all the information. And then on this side, of course, Munimade's website, and definitely support Kat. It was her very first live stream. She had never done a live stream before. She said she was a little nervous. I couldn't tell, but I thanked her over and over again. So go, and like, Em said on the live stream, which I thought was wonderful, if you don't have the money or the budget or the funds to be able to purchase a diamond painting and support the artist, because she does get money from these, they definitely support the artists and pay them. A great way to do it is also to, share. If you don't have to purchase it, you can just share. Go, support her, share her on social media with friends and family that you think would enjoy her artwork. She does have an Etsy shop, which I'll have that link down below as well. She's got some beautiful pieces of work that are in other forms. So so definitely go support her. All right, let's go ahead and look at where these special drills go, okay? So we're gonna start off with the shimmers. We'll just kind of go 71 all the way down to 80. So this is 209. Now when I say shimmer, you can tell it's just a light coating on here. So it's a little bag of purple, which is 209. Now this symbol is the little leaves. Now, I did do a little bit of research before I started filming. The legs of the table, let me zoom you guys in just a little bit so you can see. This little table right here, little coffee table that she's got her tea on and the flowers, or her coffee, the legs of the table have this symbol. Also the bottom of the coffee cup. So it's really gonna kind of just center on like the middle of the painting, okay? That's our first one. And then the next one is 702, and that's a little bit of a lighter shade. That's 211 than the 209. So this symbol is that, and where you're gonna see that, it's gonna be on the other leg of the table. So you're gonna have the lighter purple and the darker purple here. It's gonna be so pretty. I like how they just kind of got your eyes are just gonna go to a light little dusting right there, some sprinkles. Now here we have 445 shimmer, and that is a little flag. I saw the flag right here. So the flag is down in these little the petals of these flowers over by the cat, and also these little petals right here is where this light yellow is gonna be, okay? All right, so the next one is a green. This is really pretty, another shimmer drill, so you can see that coating right there. That's 581, and that's like the little running man. And it took me a while because there's like a lot of green in here, but I definitely see it right here in some of the green of the leaves by the unicorn. I also see, where else are you little running? It's like a guy running. I see it right here. See it down here. So it's definitely gonna be in some of the leaves by the unicorn's tail is where I see the majority of this little pretty green, okay? Ooh, look at this color, y'all. 666 shimmer. It's that beautiful red. It's almost like a coral. It's beautiful. This is gonna be this symbol. This is gonna be that little red dot that you see. Let me zoom in. And like I said, you're gonna have that yellow shimmer, and then you're gonna have this red one in the center. Here, here, here. And then, so inside these little flowers right here is where that red's gonna be. Oh, and it's also in the center of the flame of this lantern right here. That's gonna be really, really cool. I love that. All right, let's see. We are now at this lime green shimmer. It's 907. It's a little bit of a bigger bag. And that one is a little push pin symbol. And where did I see you? Okay, here's where it is. It's gonna be the green, kind of that lighter green, that glow of the lantern. It's gonna be mainly all right here is where I see a lot of those push pins. So that's gonna be the majority of where that one will go. I love how they've just kind of covered all the different parts of the painting. This is one of my favorite ones. 3865 shimmer. It's a white, right? And you're like, oh, what can we do with white? Oh, just look. Do you see all these little white dots here? It's almost like fairy tale dust, right? If you will, all kind of sprinkling down everywhere. It's even in the moon right here, and in these stars. It's gonna be here in the lantern. This is all that 3865. All these little white dots that you see just kind of all shimmering all the way through the painting. is gonna be this. That's gonna be amazing. I am very, very excited about that. Wow, okay, that's gonna look so good. I love how they did the little, like, it's almost like snow, right? All right, now we're getting into our ABs. You can see the coating on these is a little bit heavier, and it makes these drills really sparkle, and the ones next to them as well. So this is 166 AB, and that's going to be the little moon symbol. Now I do see the moon. I see it down here in the leaves, okay? I see several in the leaves here. And I also see a lot right here around the glow. So you're gonna have that glow here. I see some in the top of the mushrooms right here. I also see some in the books, because you've got a little bookshelf back here. I see some in the books. Oh, that's gonna look great. I love that. Yeah, I might just have to order this painting for myself since Kat's getting this one. All right, so look at this color, you guys. This is another AB, 720. So it's almost like a really, really deep orange. This is the flag symbol. It's this entire book right here on this bookshelf. This is all gonna be, that's gonna look so cool. So this one right here, it's also in this book right here. And I also see it here in the outside, almost like in the grass here. Yep, outside in those little sprigs of red grass. I see it here in the little red of the leaves on top. Here, they've just kind of got it all over this is great. I love that. So it's really gonna mainly be up in this area, okay? Oh, actually I see it down here in the book as well. Yep, it's down here. All right, so our very last one, our last special drill is another brown. It's like a darker brown. It's almost like a caramel color. 3776, it's another AB, and that's a telephone symbol. I see it in the pages of the book. I see a lot of it right here in this book. I see some in the brown leaves right here near the unicorn's tail. I see it here. I see it in this book. I see it over here. I mean, I see a lot of the brown. Yeah, I see a lot of it. Seeing if I see it anywhere else up here. I'm not seeing it up here. I think it's just mainly down here in the book and the leaves. Yeah. Oh my gosh. All right, what do y'all think? Yeah, it's gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. I love it. But let me show you what else you can add to this if you are gonna order this painting, okay? Now, if you choose to do a premium upgrade, you can upgrade to a dust cover bag. You will get a purple one because it fits this one perfectly. Now these are great. They do have the drawstrings, okay, so it shuts. This is where I was saying you could hang this off of here for storage, travel, going to a friend's house, a road trip. These bags are great. They're wonderful bags. I have several. They're great. So definitely add one of these to your cart before you check out. It'll keep your diamond painting nice and safe. Completed or uncompleted, it's just a great way to store them. So you'll get the purple bag with it. And you can also order a 3D printed tray, a diamond painting tray. You can choose a large or a small, and you can also choose the color you want. Em gave us that option now, so I love it. Depending on what colors you already have, you get to choose what you want. It's a great way to get one of her trays. And when you order one of those trays, you will get this fun little organza bag with it. This is just an example of one of them. You get a novelty pin, some washi tape, some blue wax, you get a cover minder, another diamond painting pen, a pair of tweezers, some multi-placers. She really loads you up with all kinds of good stuff, all kinds of fun. So you can get that. If you do need a basic toolkit, they are free. To save on waste, we don't put one in there automatically. We don't include one always. You have to check the box that says you want a toolkit, a basic toolkit, and we will send you one of these, okay, at no cost. There is a white tray, a pen with a multi-placer, 2 pots of blue wax is your basic toolkit, all right? And that is free. And last but not least, this is the tube I was just talking about in the beginning. This is one of the telescoping carrying tubes, little art tubes. It does have her logo embossed on there, so it's a beautiful teal color. These are, to me, a must-have. So depending on the size of your painting, the strap is adjustable, okay? You can see the little notches right here. To open it, you just take that off and then you just notch it depending on how big your painting is. Yep. I store my completed in here. I store these when I'm going to a friend's house, when I'm traveling. I even ship these in the mail to friends who I'm shipping a diamond painting to. These are great. I just put tape around this and it's good. I also hang the tag off of this so I can see what's completed, and I write on the back if it's a current whip, if I'm still working on it, or if it's finished and when I finished it. So, and I put multiple paintings wrapped up in here together as well and hang off different tags. So the possibilities are endless. These tubes are great. Yeah, so go ahead and add one of these if you don't have one. And I think that's it. So yes, what do y'all think? Do you like it? Do you like it? Are you gonna order one? Let us know down below what you think of this. I know, like I said, a lot of you have been requesting this painting, so I'm so excited to be able to show you guys. And of course, if you can hear the sound of my voice, this painting is available now on Munimade.com. Go grab it. And before you head out, give this video a like, subscribe, it's free. Come hang out with me on my channel. Happy diamond painting. We love you guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye guys.